So this is the final night of the Tropicanna. So people are coming over here one last time. But you know what? If they would have been visiting it all this time, they probably wouldn't have. They wouldn't have to close this place. That's always the way it is. People say, "Oh, it's sad, it's terrible." Well, you didn't support it, so you're sad. You're terrible. I was hoping I could get these names up here of the performers, but it's so small. There's no way it's going to show up. I can't even read it with the naked eye. It's so bad. That is really, really bad recognition. 10 years, 30 years, 20 years, whatever. Can't read it. Wow, they are going out in style. They have shut down the machines. Holy shit. Really? Tropicanna? Come on. Wow. I didn't expect them to do that. I don't know why they did that. We got some of them open. So they've shut off the whole other side of the casino. Or the hotel, not the casino. It's the famous ceiling. Well, I'm not going to tell you what the minimums are. I'm not going to tell you what machines are doing because they're not going to be here tomorrow morning. It won't matter. I'm not going to tell you who's cheating on who in this bar because I'm sure there is somebody. Oh, it's already closed. Checked out. Closed. They sold all their merchandise. Yeah, I have to admit, I bought Bill's Casino when Cromwell turned from Barbary Coast. It turned first to Bill's, and I've got a couple shirts, and I really cherish those shirts because, you know, I'm not going to print any more of those. But I never wear them. Actually, I don't know if I still have them. Every time I move, I lose some more shit. Look at this. Well, I'm not sure. Should they have closed a week ago? Well, basically, they did close a week ago. Why are they restocking that bar? You just run it out and then get the hell out of here. So there are people staying here tonight, and they got to be out of here at 12 o'clock tomorrow. Let's see what's out here. How much for this chair? I could use this on my porch, but it won't fold up and fit in my backpack, or else I'd go ahead and take it. This place was looking for an exit long before they got it. They used to have blackjack, swim up blackjack at the swimming pool, and it was fantastic. And they quit doing that. They ignored a lot of the maintenance at the pool. They got rid of the big sports book. They wanted to get out of here. That's all I got to say about that. Oh well. This was a pathetic last night.
We weren't playing on the machine, we were standing right next to it.
It's a gaming violation.
We're leaving, but there's about 30 other kids over there, so you better
I understand, but when he sees someone, he's his job to tell you guys. You don't gotta get respectful.
Well, I'm just telling you, go tell everybody else.
You have a great day, okay?
You know, fuck off. You have a great night too, but go tell everybody else, kid.
You might not ever be able to come here again.
What? I know, right?
Nothing to lose.
Oh, shut up.
That's awesome.
Fucking weirdo. No, come on.